You can use the baking soda as an exfoliate. Why doesn't enjoy a relaxing spa evening? Every now and again, it is necessary to shake things up and take your pampering to the next level. Exfoliate your skin by making a paste out of 3 parts baking soda and 1 part water and applying it to your face and body for face and body. So baking soda 1 part and water applying to your face and body using your fingertips. Gently massage it in your skin in a circular manner for a few minutes. Warm water should be used to rinse it off. But baking soda will be useful for the skin, but you should use very little amount only. So in a mug of water, you can put the baking soda and apply it, but not likewise completely in solid paste likewise. What I feel is instead of solid paste, one half mug of water, you put 1 tablespoon of baking soda, rinse it and clean your hair. Then it will clear so much of dust and dirt in your face. It will give whitening, but white will not come by the baking powder, but it will clean the skin and it will be effective to you. It is nice to you also.